Let's now add sound to our coin flipper simulator application so that when we click the green flag, not only will we see an H or a T displayed for heads or tails, we'll also hear a little sound. Let's click on the Sounds tab in the top left, and we're going to choose a sound on the bottom left. We'll click on Effects, and then we'll scroll down until we can find the coin. And let's play it. So it sounds kind of like when you get a coin on a video game. So we'll select that one. Let's delete the meow sound because we won't be using it. So click on that and just click on the X in the trash can. Now return to our code by clicking on the Code tab. Under Sound, select Play Sound Coin until done, and just place it just beneath the set block. So now when we click on the green flag, we'll hear the coin sound and we'll also see the H or T displayed.